Yeah, ever since I was sick a few weeks ago, the cough has been lingering. It won't go away.
Did you try the blends of essential oil for persistent cough?
The persistent cough relief blend?
Yes.
I haven't. I haven't tried it. I mean, I don't really get how it works.
There's 6 ingredients in the blend: oregano and pine that works as a antibacterial, antiviral; lemongrass and cypress that's great for the dry cough; rosemary is amazing to clear the mucus. You can take it 2-3 times. At the end of the week, you'll be much better. The cough go away.
Give it a try. Where did you get it?
This company, Lacura, they formulate different blends for different conditions, so I got it over there.